build the cat, skin the cat, and found another way to this time catch the cat. Right, so yeah, so what's the plan today? The plan this time is to I shared last 6 days ago. Maybe like some people requested if they can try some questions. There we are. I've got these questions picked up from MedEntry, Medify, and so on, and so made into a small quiz for you. Right, so now we'll find out the best practices, best ways of doing it. Best means speedy ways of doing it. So we're finding out the most efficient way of which is cracking these UCAT questions, the fastest possible way of cracking these up. Speed is the name of the game in UCAT. Ready? Okay, so without further ado, so what I'm going to do now, I would be attempting the same question in a couple of multiple ways rather. So the first way I will do it as if I'm doing it. That way you get to see how am I doing is I'll be thinking aloud. Second way, soccer, I will slow it down, cut it down, chop it down into small pieces, slow motion, and then we'll talk about multiple alternatives. Are there any other ways of doing the same question? Ready? Okay. Number of questions I believe is 10 and 12. Let's see how many we can crack. Right, game on. So start question numero uno. In which he says the table shows the number of people that work in different professions in a particular country over the 5 years. Okay, so total number of authors, writer, 1557 from year 9 to year 10. 9 to year 10. Okay, 1557, 557 for 155, 1000, 5000, 105. 105. If the ratio of the total numbers of authors are altogether 1 is to 11 is to 3, how many translators? 3 over 15, 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 and 1 over 5 and 105, 21. Answer is this. Something with an answer 21. There you go. That's the answer. Right. So what did I do? So, okay. So again, it's just about doing it in your head. Answer was 21,000 is what I chose. Right, okay, so how to do it? So firstly, we need to get our head around, so what's happening in this table. Total number of authors, column 1, increased by 1557. So from 103443, 210. So if you added in your head 557 to 443, you will see adds up becoming 1000, isn't it? 1000, and there's another 1000. Oh, that is 1000. So answer would have been 105,000. Oh yes, so 105,000 is what we're looking at. I'll just do it. 103443 plus, he says, new people were added. How many were total new numbers were added, which is 1557, 105,000. 105,000. Okay, then he's talking about translators. Translators, that means I'm looking at the last number, 3. So I will do 3 over 15. 3 over 15 in your head sums down to, simplifies to 1 over 5. You would have done, okay, then you would have pulled out your calculator, 105. 1 over 5 times by 105 and so on, 21. Bang, there you go. Alternatively, if you know 3 over 15 is 1 over 5, anytime you need to divide by 5, top times the double number, double the numerator by 2. You heard me right. Anytime you see the bottom is a 5, you double the numerator. 10.5, double that, 21. All right, okay. So as a result, you would have got 105 divided by 5, 21. Answer is 21,000. Again, you see here, I'm cutting down on the number of zeros. If in case somebody thought, oh no, why would you want to? Each and every keystroke matters. Shaves away crucial seconds. Yes, you heard me right. Shaves away some crucial seconds in trying to attack these questions. Right, so answer was 21,000. So, right, just re-emphasizing speed maths. If any number, give me some number. Let's take it 180. I want to do 180 divided by 5. Anytime divide by 5. Double the top number, divide by 10. Oh yes, 18, double of 18, 36. Ignore the 10. Oh, 36. So there you go. 180 divided by 5. So 180 divided by 5. Oh yes, 36. Next one. I'm picking a bigger number now. 285 divided by 5. 285 divided by 5. Double the top number by this one, 57. Right, let's see. 285 divided by 5. 57. Ciao. So that was it. Voila. So got it. All right. Moving on to next question now. Ready? Okay. The number of videographers increased by 104%, 104%. So, okay, 104% means my new multiplier would be 2.04. Please make sure you know that. The multiplier, the way to do percentages multiplier. Right, okay, so from year 1 to year 9, okay, by what percent of the number of photographers increased from year 1 to year 5? So I need to know how much is in year 1, reverse percentages. So how much were in year 9? So year 9, do I have 103,443 divided by 2.04? Sorry. So I had from year 1, sorry, I'll beg your pardon, my throat. 103,443, so is what we had in year this one. What's the name? Divide that by 2.04. Do I have the number of... Oh, sorry. Why am I doing that? 91. Sorry, you're using this number here. I beg your pardon. So yes. So do I have 91,800? Divide that by 2.04. Do I have 45,000? Got it. That means in year 1 we had 45,000. Now, so that means multiplier was 2.04, 45,000. Next, it says from year 5, 86. Watch this. 86,400 divided by 45,000, 1.92. Ignore, hide the 1. Answer is 92. Got it. Oh, sorry. Answer is 92. There you go. Right, so let's see. How do we do it now? So what I did at first was the number of photographers. I had to move on the wrong column. I was kept on looking. The wrong numbers. So the number of videographers increased by 104% from year 1 to year 9. Okay, so 101 to year 9. So what did I do? 91,800 divide it by 2.04. 45,000. That means in year 1 there were 45,000 videographers. Now from 45,000 from year 1 it went to 86,400. Watch the way now. Ideally people would have done. This is how much is a percentage increase. People would have done. Ideally they would have been doing 86,400, which is the values in year 5. Values in year 5 minus 45,000, which I got, minus 45,000, minus 45,000. Then you would have divided by 45,000, and then you would have times it by 100. You would have got an answer. Oh, come on, please. That is very time consuming. That's not speed maths, but just to show you get the same answer. 45,000, divide that by 45,000, times it by 100, 92. Wow. Is there a better way of doing it? Answer is hell yes. So 86,000, new value, 86,400. Divide that by old value, 45,000. Just do it. All right. This would end up giving you 1.92. Oh, ignore the 1. Whatever left over is 92 is your answer. So there you go. 86,400 divided by 45,000. 192. There you go. Ignore this one. Answer is 92. That's one way, an easy, fast speed maths way of how to find percentages. Let's take quickly another one. So one more time, in case you want to find a percentage increase. So what was the learning in the second one? This question. Shortcut of percentage increase. How do we find percentage increase? Let's suppose you bought something for £40, right? You sold it for £88, right? What is a percentage increase? GCSE would have taught you 88 minus 40 divide by 40, right? And once you would have done that, you would have got an answer, 88 minus 40 divided by 40. Then you would have times it by 100. Agreed, 120 is what you've got. as an answer. Right, is there another way of doing it? Of course, yes. New value, 88, divide by new value divided by old value, minus 1. Oh, 1.2, 120% is the answer. Ooh, so that's how we find our percentage increase as time progresses. We'll also be talking about how to find percentage decrease also. So that's speed maths of how to find percentage increase questions. In year 5, 25% of the professional players. 25% speed maths, divide by 4. Easy. Converting fractions into decimals, decimals into fractions and percentages. So 25% is a quarter. 25% is the professional players. So how much is that? 25% in year 5, 25%. So do I have? Where's the calculator? So we've got 25%. If I've got that to 3,100 is what I see, which is I'm just simply dividing by 4. So I've got 3,100 is what essentially that we would end up getting. Okay. Next, then after that, the next part of the question says. Let's just get rid of this, too crowded. So yes, in year 5, 25% of the professional. In year 9, the value was 31%. This value was 31%. Right? What was the percentage increase in the number of professional players? Right, so year 1, we had in year 5, 31,000. All right, okay. And 31%. Of this one. So yes, do I have 0.31 times 15300 4743 is what we got. What was the percentage increase? Okay, let's see, it's time to use a shortcut. So we've got 4743. I'm using 4743 is what we've got. Just divide. So 4743 divided by 3100, 53%. Bang, got it. Ignore the 1. If you remember, I got 1.53 minus 1, minus the 1. Answer is 53%. Bang, speed maths again. So one more time, what did we do? We found our 25%. Speed maths, 25% means divide by 4. 12,400 divided by 4. We ended up getting 3,100. 31%, 0.31 times by 15,300. There we go. So that's what it is. And then we said, okay, the new value divided by old, 4743. So 4743 divided by 3100. Right, we ended up getting 1.53. 1.53, got it. 53 is the answer. Ignore, which is the minus 1 at the end. What was the average number of photographers? Right, average number, multiple ways of doing it. There are way too many numbers, so I'm not going to bother adding them up. So what's the speed maths trick? Speed math, what was the average number of photographers? So we have 5 to 9 photographers. Right, ideally, what somebody would have done is they would have started adding up. They would have started adding up all these numbers. Sorry, speed maths doesn't want. Speed maths needs speed. Right, so what would we do now? So in this case, we will find the smallest number plus the highest number. 86,400 plus 93,251 divided by 2. Got it. 89,28. 89,8. 89,8. Oh, got it. That's my answer. 89,800. Right, prove it to you. 89,800 is my answer. So what did we do? How to find out the average? To find out the average, the trick for this one was highest value from all the list that is given to us plus the lowest value divide by 2. That gives you an actual good idea of what the answer. It would not give an exact idea, gets you very near to the answer. So our answer is 89,800, right? Let's see if I do the long way of doing it. The long way would have been, again, is 8,608. 9361 plus 88588, 93251 plus 91800 divide by 5. Oh, sorry, got the wrong numbers. So we got 86400 plus 89361, 88588 plus 93251 plus 91800. Divide by 5. Bang, 89,800. Exactly what we wanted, 89,800. So that required too long to punch in all those numbers several times. Righty, moving on without further ado. So quickly, before we move on, so what was the shortcuts? Many shortcuts we did, which is ability to do mental maths. I added in the question numero uno, first one, 1557 plus this value, got 105. 105, then I said, okay, 3 of 15 is a fifth. When you divide by 5, you double the top number, double the numerator. And then we talk about how do I find out what was the next game of multipliers. 104% means 2.04 is what we got. Next, what was the percentage increase? How do you find percentage increase? New, divide value, divide by all value. Whatever answer you get, just minus the 1. Okay, next. What did we do this one? Again, it was a percentage increase question. 25% means divide by 4, converting percentage into fractions, fractions to percentages. So 25% is this, 1 over 4. So I end up getting 3,100. 31% of this value, we ended up getting 4743. Divide. New divide, this method I did, new divide by all, take away 1. I got 1.53, take away 153. Moving on. Next. How do I do speed maths for this one? High plus low divide by 2. Alternatively, as I showed you, if I add all of them up, time consuming. Righty, moving on. Next question. Doing good. Doing great. Right, okay, except my throat. Right, Jeremy travels from Portsmouth, UK to France, Brittany, leaves Portsmouth and arrives and so on. The ferry is this one. Okay, the ferry delayed by 35 minutes. Oh, where's that thing? The ferry delayed by 35 minutes. 8:22 becomes what? 18, sorry. Beg your pardon, don't need to rush it. 18:22 plus 35. Hopefully you agree. 18:55 minus 1. 18:55 minus 1 do I have? That's 17:55. So I've got, 17:55. Why did we minus 1? Because it says 1 hour ahead. So 17:55 started at 10:15. Okay, what do you do? Now this is the easy bit now. Take away these two. 17 take away 10. 7. Oh, that's the only answer option left. Done. You never had to look at any other things. Thank you very much. So, or alternatively, sorry, now jumping the gun. So one more time, how long is the ferry crossing? All you had to do was, ferry is 35 minutes delayed. 18:20 plus 35, 18:55. 18:55, but I need to measure UK versus UK, but this is French time. So I did 18:55 minus 1, got 17:55. Now, hours with the hours, minutes with the minutes is how you compare. 17 take away 10, 7, bang, that's the answer. Or, in case there was one more option, which was a 7, then the minutes with the minutes. 55 take away 15, 40, bang, got it, answer. Moving on, next question. Right, the table shows in the district 47.5% residents aged, it just keeps disappearing. Right, in the district 47.5% of the 47.5% of the people, 47.5% of the residents aged something live in older term brother. How many residents aged 80 or over live in blah 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 blah. 47, 52.2. Righty, okay. So doing it speed maths. 128126872 plus 4886. Got it. So what's that? That is equal to 57%, 57.5, 52.5, 0.525. Sorry, just missed out on the values. 12812, do I have 6872 plus 4886? Now, this is what I've got. I will divide by 0.525. That means that altogether, that ends up becoming 46,800 is the population of all of the people, which is all added up together. Now, okay, what do I do now? Now, all I will do is, you would have done, now you got the total, and from this value you would have started taking away each one of these, right? Okay, and whatever will be left over will be your answer for them asking, for whatever is asking, right? I know it's doable, easy question. But there's a better way of doing it. So I got 46,800. How did I get? This thing is equal to, do I have 52 or 0.525% of the total is equal to whatever value I got, right? Agreed? So that means the total population is 56,800. Ready? Now what would I do? That's the easy bit now. Oh, lost the value. Where's that? Yeah, 46,800. All right. That's the total population. Now watch. I will just take away the last digits. 6 plus 2, 8, 10, 10, and 4. What do we get? 4. 0, take away 4, 6. Any option, the last digit, 6 is my answer. I'm done. That was it. That was it. So I did, this one added up together, right? So 24570, if you saw here. So 24570 is what we get when I add the three values up together. These adds up together to give you 24570. 24570. 570 is what we got. This thing is what? 52.5% of the total. Right? How much is the total? Is this. That means the grand total of all of this is 46,800. Chip away 4,886. I'll start doing it. That's ideally. Chip away 688,872. Chip away 12812. Chip away 15804, leaving you with 6426. Don't have the time to minus all these big numbers. What did I do? I started taking away last digit. 6 plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 take away 4, 6. Anything last digit 6, bang, that's my answer. Right, alternatively, just 2, in case some people are confused. So I've got total, I will still do it, 4886 minus 6872 minus 12812 minus 14804. Bang, that's what we wanted. So that's the answer. So apologies, sincere apologies. Got my throat completely wonky. Right, there are twice as many residents aged 60-79 in Colbert than in there is number of residents that grow 14907. Okay, so 41907 times by 5. Got it. Have I got it? 41907 times by 5. No, that's it. 209 is what we ended up getting. 209 is the total of all the 60 to the for all of these now. Apologies. So from all of these add up together to give you 209,593. 209. Do I have 5? 9 3. Just double checking. 209,595. Beg your pardon. 209,595. Okay, is what we got. So when I add all of these up together, all right, then how many residents live in Alderton? So that means he's asking me this value. How much is this? What about this? This value is double of that. Okay, so what would I do? Okay, so I'll again do the last digits. 8 plus 1, 9, because this will be a 2, because he says it's double. 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1. 1 and 7, 8. All right. Last digit, 5 take away 8 or 15 take away 8. Anything last digit 7. Bang. That's my answer. Sorry. Just keep choosing the wrong one. So answer is 59407. Right. So let's see. So what did I do? 41917 is the average. So I times, that means average of this, I times it by 5 because they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times by 5 means divide by 2. So 209,535 is what everything adds up together. He's asking me to find out how much is Alderton, how many people are there. Right, this residents are there. Right, okay, so what do you do? So add them up. Total should be 209,535. Then chip away 2, 4, 2, 3, 8. Minus 32751 minus 32751 minus 32751 minus 27637 59407. Wow, that was a long way of doing it, but we got better ways, which is all we did was something really simple, which was first 41907 times by 5, 209,595. Sorry, it should be 535, but anyways. I'm doing the last digit, doesn't matter what's the rest. So 8, last digit, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 7, 8, 15 take away 8, 7, last digit 59407. Got it, moving on. What is the ratio of residents age 20 to 59 to residents age 19 or under? 20 to 59 to 19. 20 to 59. Get rid of all this. So we've got 20 to 59. Where is it? All right. So I'm looking at 20 to 59. Add them all up together. All right. So do I want 400 plus 106013? I hope it is. Yeah, it is. This is what we've got. Okay, 219. Can I divide that by 96628? Got it. What do we got? So I've got, is that, where is that? Yeah, 20 to 59. 20 to 59. So I've got 111, 400 plus 106013. Got it. Plus 96628. Got it. So 111, 400 plus 106 or 13. Got it. Easy. Divide that by, come on, 96628. There we go. So we got 2.25. 2.25. Oh yes, 2.25 comes down to roughly something to do with, again, 9 over 4. Bang, got it. So I wanted 2.25. This is definitely not 2.25. This is definitely not 2.25. This is 2.75. Not, this is 300. This is 3.3. Definitely, it has to be this, right? Or 9 over 4 is on any day, it's 2.25. If the population of Eastmore were increased by 109% each year, 1.9% each year, 1.9% each year, how many years would it take to exceed population of Eastmore? So I'll have to add them all up. So what do we do now? So we'll have to quickly 41778 plus 93544 plus 52129 plus 24238 plus 4886. Right. Hey, I've got the wrong ones, isn't it? So we got, I added way too many. So yes, so all we wanted to add up, as it says, the population of Eastmore were increased each year. How many years would it take of the population to exceed 23,500? So we'll have to add them up. So 41,778, right, plus 93,544 plus 52,129 plus 24,238 plus 4886 is what we got. 216,575. I need to get to this. Now, what do? Now, first one, I just common sense ways 1.019, double it. Oh, I got it. I did it once. Times by 1.019 twice. 1.019 3 times. I know the 4th time I'll do it, that will be my answer. 1.019, bang, 233, 500. Answer is 4. Moving on, trial and error. Right, okay. Where were we? So, before we move on, okay. So, that was these questions. All right, so we got one more. How many calories? How many more calories should a 24-year-old woman in her 3rd trimester? 24-year-old woman in her 3rd trimester. 340. So do I have 2,400? Do I have 2740? Is what we could take. Is 27. So we got for this one 2740. All right. Then a 16-year-old in her 16-year-old in her 1st trimester. 16-year-old in her 1st trimester. 2310. 2310 is what we would get. So do I have, was that in the, sorry, there's a 3rd trimester, so we got this one wrong. So he says that's in the 3rd trimester. So we got 2400 plus 4, 2850. Do I have 2850? In the 1st trimester, 50, 10, 40, any option last digit 40. Got it, that's my option. Right, 50 take away 10. I just did, I didn't bother doing the rest of it. So I did 50 take away 10, 40, last digit 40. Alternatively, you could have, just to satisfy, 2850 minus 2310. Do our 540, there you go. What is the percentage increase? New divided by old, remember, take away 1. What is the percentage increase in magnesium requirement for a 36-year-old pregnant woman compared to before she was pregnant? 36-year-old magnesium, 36-year-old magnesium. 36 means this column, magnesium is this one, right. Compared to before she was pregnant, 38 divided by 10. You would just do 38 divided by 10, take away 1, all right. So 38 divided by 22 point, so 38 divided by 31, all right. So do I have, answer is 2258. Ignore the 1. You got 1.2258, so I'll ignore the 1. 2258. Yes. 2258. Got it. Next. What? New divided by old, take away 1. What is the ratio between the calorie requirement of a 20-year-old who's not pregnant to a 20-year-old who's been lactating for 8 months? 20-year-old means, looking at the second column again, the 20-year-old compared to who's lactating, and 20-year-old, where is it? There we go. So 20-year-old for 8 months. Calories. 2,400. Answer has to be 6. The first number digit has to be a 6, divisible by 6. And for 2,800, so 24. So I've got 24 is to 28. Come on. 24, 28, 6 is to 7 maybe. That's it. Right, so that's about it, guys. That's the end of it. So let's see how many of them we got it right. View score. Right, okay. Ooh, got 1 wrong. How can we get 1 wrong? So in here, where were we? All right. Oh, come on. That's our score. So just looking at it. So, yep, there we are. So that was our score, which is altogether 12 out of 13 is our score. Don't know which question we got it wrong. Got it right, got it right, got it right, got it right, got it right. Got it right, got it right. Oh, we missed out. Missed out on the last one, but that's it for now, guys. So what we did was, again, we showed speed maths techniques on how to crack these questions, which is predominantly we talk about percentage increase questions. How do I find percentage increase? New divided by old, take away 1, number 1. Number 2, how do we find averages? Instead of adding all of them up, we do highest value plus the lowest value divided by 2, no matter how many values are there. Third speed maths trick, when you divide by 5, pick any number. Pick any number when you divide that number by 5. When you divide that number by 5, that means you double the numerator and divide by 10. Right, and then apart from that, there were a few more tricks. Last digit strategy we talked about. Oh yes, then we talk about a question on this. Ferries, times, how do we do? Hours with the hours, minutes with the minutes. And that's it, guys. That's it for now. It's been an extremely long video. Well, we'll catch up soon in the next video. Hopefully we'll try a few more speed maths part 2 to come soon. Right, guys, again, sincere apologies for the throat, really quacking. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao. Have a good one then. Bye. Happy Easter.